Hi guys, so today I'm unboxing my FabFitFun box. Here it is. I already opened it up because this is my second time trying to film this. It does have like the brown paper in it. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. It is $50 seasonally, or you can buy it annually. I am an annual subscriber. I think it's $180, $179 annually. I'm not sure, but I am an annual subscriber. I received it about a week and a half ago. I already unboxed it, but I didn't use any. I didn't unbox the actual box. I just took my add-ons out because there were some things I needed to use out of there. But I will not be discussing the add-ons in this unless it's in this box right here. So yeah, the first thing I'm pulling out is the magazine, which is really nice because it has descriptions of everything that could be in this box. So that's really helpful. And I really like it because it gives you little tips on stuff. It has like recipes, stuff like that. Really cool. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is an item that I got to choose, and it's these Juice Cleanse cubes, and I really love these. I did choose these a couple seasons ago too, but I really do love these. They smell amazing, like, oh my gosh, these are wonderful, and they feel really nice. Yeah, they're a little rough on the skin, but I love these. My girls love them too, so we use these like crazy in my house. So probably, yeah, they won't last long. They smell so good, like candy, like fruit juice or something. It's wonderful. I love these. So I'm really happy to get these, and I did choose it. Okay, so the choices were the hip cutlery set, the cuticle oil, the Ayurvedic hair oil, the runway clip trio. I wanted that, but I seen how thick the clips were, so I decided, because I like want something for my hair right here just to pin it back. But the clips were super thick in the front where you pinch them, and I didn't like that. And then the Juice Cleanse cubes, and those were worth, these are $16 retail value. So yeah, I really love those. Okay, the next thing I got is these multivitamin masks, Radiant Complexion Vitamasks. And I think it comes with 5 of these. And I love skin masks because, you know, it's a great way to treat yourself. And I really want to try them out. Let's see. And I'd seen a review that they were really good, so I'm really excited for this. And that is worth $40. And the other choices were for this were the Jenny Bird Austin cuff right here, the Leanna pendant, which I debated on getting, but I chose against it because I do have sensitive skin, and I'm not sure how the stainless steel will react on my skin. And then the other items were the Nectar blue light blocking glasses, which I don't need because I already have glasses and I have blue light blocking coating on them. You know, it's very expensive for that, so yeah, I don't need that. And then the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette was part of that option too, which I don't need any more makeup. I literally have so much makeup, so I chose not to get that. So the next thing I have was this hydration, mason jar hydration bottle. And I chose this because I really wanted stuff that was like functional. And I thought this was kind of cool because it's a mason jar. So I don't know if, I'm kind of curious if I could stick any mason jar like with this lid, like if I could hook any mason jar up to it, which that would be amazing. And it comes with this little case, and I think it's really nice because, you know, it's a great way to keep yourself hydrated, and it's glass, so you don't have to worry about that. So I assume it's dishwasher, not for heat processing. Okay, so I assume that it's dishwasher safe. Let's see, what does it say? I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. Let's see. Let me try to get this back together. Oh my gosh, it's making that squeaky noise. Okay. So hopefully, and I thought it was really cool because I do like having stuff to keep myself hydrated with. And that mason jar is $35, and it holds 20 ounces. And the other choices were the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which I've already purchased before, so I don't, like, I've had that. I think I still own it, so I don't really need that. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whip Cleansing Cream, which I think I already have this too. I might just have a face wash like that, but I don't need that. I have enough soaps, plus I got the cubes, so like, nah, I don't need that. It's cool though, but I don't need it. The Walnut Facial Cleanser, I didn't want that because I heard walnuts were bad for your skin, and I really don't need that. And the Coffee Scrub, which I don't know, that doesn't really intrigue me. Yeah, so the Coffee Scrub I don't really need. I don't really like scrubs like that. They just, I don't know, nothing wrong with them, I just don't. It doesn't appeal to me. I've had scrubs before. They're just a mess, and I don't like messy products like that. So yeah, so I chose this, which I'm really happy to get because it is a mason jar, and it's, you know, it's easy to clean out, easy to maintain as long as I don't drop it and break it. So the next thing I chose was this. Let me see if I can find it in my book. Is it in here? Oops, I dropped it. Great. The next thing I chose was this, the Soya and Keo Woven Scarfigan with Fringe. So, I chose this because it's a very functional item. It's something, it smells like plastic from the bag, but that's easily remedied. I chose this because it's functional, and it's something that I would wear, and it's fall, like this is great. It's great for the cold weather. Just throw it on with some jeans and some boots or whatever. So I don't know, it just really intrigued me. Plus it's fall, like it feels nice, it's soft, like it's a scarf, but I don't plan on wearing it as a scarf. I plan on wearing it as like a cardigan because I do get cold often and very easy. So, and it's really nice, and I'm 5'8". This thing is like super tall. It feels like nice quality. Like it'd be great just lounging around the house too, or going to the store, put a belt on with it. It'd be super cute. So yeah, I'm super excited for this, and this is worth $85. And the other options were the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. Now that wasn't for me. The Glossmetics hair removal device, I just felt like I don't need that. I don't really have hair on my face like that. I have it on my lip right now. Like, what is up with that? The next option was the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. I was going to get that, but when I went to choose it, it was already sold out. So, because I was going to add it on, but whatever. And then the Celery Green Cream, I don't need that. It just wasn't really something that I was thinking sounded like a good idea. And the Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, I don't need any more skincare. Like, I have tons of skincare. I do have Boxycharm, so I'm good on that. The next choice item I got was this Boxycharm, which I'm really excited for. Oh. This tote bag, I chose this because I am a grad student, and I think it would be great for my books, my notepad, and my planner, and my MacBook. I think it's a great option. I just wish like this was a functional, like either expanded or was an actual pocket, but nonetheless it's still really cute. And it's like a microfiber type of tote or whatever. I don't know, nylon, excuse me, not microfiber. It's like a nylon. So I think it'd be really great just to throw my stuff for school in. And it's just Just a basic tote. It's got a cell phone pocket, a pen or a card pocket, and then the zipper pocket for your change. And then on the outside, it's just got these zippers that really don't do anything, which is kind of stupid to me, but whatever. And then the handles, which I'm assuming are vegan leather because, I mean, I don't know. I assume that they're not real leather. It feels like it's vegan. So I'm really excited for this. And I will be using that for my laptop and stuff. And that is worth $128. And the other options were the Boxycharm New York Trigger Backpack, the Foxy Bay Curling Wand, the Stila Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and Mascara, the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters, which I did get in add-ons and I am using, and they are so beautiful. And they actually, like, when the sun hits it, they make like a little rainbow in my kitchen. So yeah, I do love those. And then the styling cream and the cotton basket. I didn't need any of that, but I did get the Uncommon James as an add-on. So the next item I got in here, flip the page. These last 3 items are items that I did not choose. The next item I got is this Crease Release, which I'm super excited to get because I've never had a product like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it. Let's see if it... Oh, it smells nice. I just wanted something like this so that I didn't have to iron because I hate ironing, and I think that this is great for that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out, and it smells really nice. Yeah, it smells really good. And let's see what the price is on this thing. This is $16, the Laundress New York Crease Release. And you just spray it and it takes the wrinkles out. So that's pretty cool. And I really do like products like this because you never know. Like, you just might have a wrinkly shirt day. You don't want to throw your shirt in the dryer or iron it. So this kind of saves you some time. Oh, let me go over the options. So the options, other than the Crease Release, was the Pumpkin Spice Pedicure in a Box. Well, that's right here. The Spongel Sweet Flower and the Spongel Box Flower and Sweet Cedarwood, which I have enough Spongels. I literally bought like 5 boxes of Spongels during one of the add-on sales. So I don't need any more of that, which I do love Spongel, don't get me wrong. So that was it. There was only 2 options for that. Okay, so the next item I have that I did not choose is this Hythe Sleep Tranquility Sleep Mist. And this is valued at $22, which kind of seems absurd. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's see what it smells like. It smells like lavender. It's like your basic lavender smelling stuff. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. Okay, cool. So that is worth $22, and the other options were Stone Candles Room Spray and Santal Noir, and Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Masks. Oh, right here. So I'm kind of happy to get this. I mean, I wouldn't spend $22 on this. Maybe like 10, but whatever. It's something that keeps the house nice, and I'm cool with that. And the last item I have in my box, which was an item that they chose for me, is the Glow Milk. Beauty Crop Glow Milk and Blind Date. And this is $19.50, which is kind of cool. It's cute packaging. Let's see if I can take it apart. It's super cute packaging. And here it is. I mean, it's cool. It's another makeup item I don't need. Oh my gosh, so much just came out. Okay, well, we have this. Here's it on, sorry, I did another video right before this. Here's the Glow Milk. I'm just gonna, right here. This is gonna be like extreme because there's so much. That's like crazy. I don't know if you could see that. It's super pretty. This is worth $19.50, and the other options were the pouch for the glasses, which is kind of stupid. I think that should have came with, whoever got the glasses should have got this with it. Like, why would you put that separate? But whatever. This is just a pouch with stripe, but we all know that looks like a glasses case. I'm sorry. That's kind of shady right there. And then the other option was the Golden Superfood Shower Gel. So that'd have been nice to have, but I'm okay with this. Like, I have tons of these kind of products, and I use them in the summertime on my body, but like, it's fall. I feel like this isn't really a fall type thing, but maybe I could be wrong. Maybe if I mix it with some lotion or something. It sets pretty quickly too. But it's really pretty once you blend it out. So yeah, I don't know, it makes me look super glowy. Here's my regular arm, so it's not, I don't know, it doesn't really tan me that much. It does give me a little bit of a color, but nothing serious. So that's it. That's what I got in my box. So go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and even a comment down below and let me know how your box was and what you thought about my box. Thank you for watching my video.